Hey, it's Blake Scarlevi, and I have a new release wave feature to show off for you. This has to deal with Power Automate and the ability to debug conditions, which is something we've been waiting for since day one of Flow and Power Automate. It's finally here with the release wave 2 if you have it enabled. So let me show you what this looks like. So actually, built this flow a few weeks ago for the community summit in Orlando to show off the power of the compose action. And one of the benefits of the compose action is the ability to troubleshoot conditions. So if here we look at my condition, I have a variable called city. I'm checking if it's Orlando, and a variable called state, checking if it's Florida. So one of the things I talked about is when you debug this flow run, all it shows you is the result of this. So whether it's true or false. And if you have multiple conditions, it's not very helpful because you'd like to know which condition is true and false and what the values are, etc. So what I used to do is use a compose and do something like this where I can log the variables before my condition. So when I see the flow run, I can see what the values of the variables are. Well, now with the release wave 2, we don't have to do that anymore. So let's take a look. This looks like, so I ran the flow. So what you do is click on the condition here. So this is what it normally looks like, right? It's expression result here, it's false. So my condition is false, but it doesn't give me any details on um, the individual conditions themselves. It just gives me the final output. Well, we have this new toggle up here called parameters view. So we just flip that on, and here we go. We can see the value of each condition. So, and then what's also nice is here, it gives me the value of my variable. So my city variable is Brennanwood. That does not equal Orlando. So this condition is false. Same with the next one. State is Indiana, IN here in this case, which does not equal Florida. So we get a false. And then up here at the top, the resulting value of both conditions is false. So there you go. That's what this new feature in release wave 2 looks like. This extremely helpful. We don't have to mess around with composes anymore to log those values out. So super handy. So make sure you turn release wave 2 on and check it out. Thanks.